Hello there and welcome to Cooking with Second Gold. Today we'll be making a special treat, fluffy Belgian waffles. To start things off, we're going to put in a cup of all-purpose flour. Now this is just any flour you can buy, pretty much anywhere, although King Arthur's works the best. Next we're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now we're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder to let it rise and stuff. Finally, we're going to add a little bit of salt, about 1/4 teaspoon's worth. In a separate bowl, we're going to first add 1 egg. Now we're going to add 3/4 of milk. This is best if you just use whole milk. Now we're going to add about 3 tablespoons of soft melted butter. Doesn't have to be all the way soft and melted. You just want the butter in your waffles because it's really good. Now you're going to want to add about a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract to give your waffles a nice background flavor. You can use more if you want. It's all in your personal preferences. There you go. Now you're going to want to whisk everything together. So just whisk it until it feels really smooth and nice and the eggs and the milk seem well combined. And now you're going to want to pour your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients. So like this. Now you're going to want to really stir that up, make sure the mixture gets all like that. You can already see it's starting to resemble waffle batter. Now we're going to spray our waffle iron down with some non-stick spray like this pan I have right here. And cut it pretty evenly. And then we're going to preheat it, turn it on. It looks like our waffle iron is preheated, so now we're going to pour the mixture into there. So just spread it evenly along the iron, make sure, it's okay if a little spills out. Just try to get the main consistency onto the iron, and you'll probably have a little left over, but you'll have to worry about that later. Okay, so it's been about 2.5 minutes, so let's see how they've done. Now you're gonna get a little tool, like I have this rubber spatula, and you're gonna try to get them out of there. Never use metal with these things because it can transfer the heat and burn you. And there we go. Nice big waffles. Now you're going to want to separate them real quick, pile them on top of each other. There's just some fluffy square waffles. To make these look like even more of a masterpiece, I'm going to arrange them like so. Pour a little syrup on them. Add a decorative pat of butter. And finally, whipped cream. Okay, so that wasn't exactly how I imagined it turning out, but let's dig in. Okay, these taste really good. They're nice and fluffy, they're a little chewy, makes them good. They're sweet, they taste light but heavy at the same time. Let's grab a bite with our condiments. The temperature is great, they feel warm, but not like burn your mouth hot. I'd recommend making this every day for breakfast, but instead of putting whipped cream, you put like something healthy like eggs or fruit or something. This is a very good recipe. I will recommend this. I give this a 10 out of 10 from Second Gold. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, whatever you want to do. Hit the bell icon, and I will see you later.